Hello my dear students, good afternoon all of you. Welcome back to your online classes. My name is Tajib sir. I hope you all are know my dear students. So let's go further a new session. Okay. So here students are starting a new exercise. In last lecture we have started already chapter number 5 and 6 together and factor multiples introductions, and now today students we are going to learn chapter number 5 factor. Okay, chapter number 5 factor introduction we have done, and now we are going to learn its exercise. Okay, again let's check here the some other method of factors, and then after we move on its exercise. Okay, that exercise only we have performed. Okay, so students, first of all let's check here today's quote, and then after we move on further. So let's check here today's quote. Today's quote is perform you will never lost. Okay, you perform, you give your performance, you give a perform as like that you will never lost, means always you win. Okay, now let's check here today's content. Today's contents exercise number 5a, question number 3, use a multiplication. So students, that's contents. Let's check here today's contents exercise number 5a. But which chapter my dear students? Exercise number 5a, factors. Okay, chapter number 5 factor, and chapter number 6 exercise we are going to learn 2 more. So today we are going to learn exercise number 5a, question number 3, use the multiplication to find the factors of. Of means that numbers we are check in a question. Question number 4, use the division to find the factor of. Of means that a digit will become. So let's check a question then after. And question number 5, say whether true or false. Okay, that contains that things we are going to learn my dear students. Again I repeat, exercise number 5a, question number 3, use the multiplication to find the factor, and question number 4, use the division to find the factors, and then question number 5, say whether true or false. Okay my dear students, so let's check here first of all our concept, and then after we move on. Okay, so here first of all another method is a method number 2, using a division. Okay, another method using a division now. Okay, so let's check. We can also find the factor by using a division. Okay, how can we find the factors? We don't know. So here second method is using of division, means using a division. Understood my dear students? A group of 30 dancers are going to be performed at the Mela. Okay, means of Mela means what my dear students? Fair. A group of 30 dancers are going to perform at the Mela, means a fair. They will dance in the circle of equal group, means they will dance in equal groups. They will dance in circle of a equal group. So what are the different numbers of the circle or equal group they can make? Means how many dancers are then 30. So if they dance in one circle, there will be a 30 dancer in a one group. Means what my dear students? If they dance in one circle, means the dancers are all in a one circle, so there will be a how many groups? One groups. There will be only one groups. Okay, means 30 divided by 1 means 1 30s are 30. Okay, 30 ones are 30 or 1 30s are 30, as like that. See here, 1 and 30 are factor of 30, because of 1 30s are 30 and 30 ones are 30. We always check both side. Okay, 1 3s are 30 or 30 ones are 30. So again I repeat my dear students, here another method of find the factor, but which method? Using a division. Okay, using a division method is useful to find the factor. A group of 30 dancers are going to perform at a Mela. They will dance in circle of equal groups. what are the different number of the circle or equal groups they can make? Means there are 30 dancer and they make a equal group. Okay, so in one group, okay, not a much more, only one group they make, and one group, and how many dancers are there? 30 dancers are there. 30 means 30. If they dancer in one circle, there will be a 30 dancer in one group. Means 30 divided by 1 is equal to 30. As like that, 1 and 13s are factor of 30. Because 1 30s are 30 and 31s are 30. Understood? So my dear students, I hope you all are understood. Okay, so we can also find the factor by which method? Using a division. Okay, so now let's check further facts of using a division factor. Okay, if they dancer in two circles, means how many dancers are there? 30 dancers. So we are making a two groups. So how can we divide 30 into 2? Means 2 is group and 30 is dancer. So 30 divided by 2. So in table number 2, 30 will become, okay. So 2 15 means 52s are 30. As like that, 15 2s are 13, 2 15s are 30. 2 15s are 13 and 15 2s are 30. 2 and 15s are factor of 30. Because what reason? Which reason? 15 2s are 13 and 2 15s are 30. Understood, my dear students? So dear students, there two groups are there. How many groups are there? Two groups are there. But in each group has a 15 dancers. How many? 15 dancer. So 30 divided by 2 means is equal to 15. Means 2 15s are 13 and 15 2s are 13. As like that. Understood, my dear students? So dear students, if they dance in a two circles, there will be a 15 dancer in each group. Okay, so 2 and 15s are factors of 30 because 2 15s are 13 and 15 2s are 13. As like that. If the dancer in a third circle, means a 3 circles, there will be a dancer in each group. Okay, there will be a dancer in each group. So first of all, here we do. Okay, how many dancers? Strength of the dancer, total 30 dancers. 30 dancers are there. Okay, if the dancer in 3 circle, we have to make a 3. Okay, so 30 divided by 3. Okay, how can we divide, my dear students? How can we divide 30 divided by 3? So 30 dancers are there and we make the 3 groups. Okay, so 33s are, sorry my dear students, 3 10s are 30. Opposite, not do as like that. 3 divided by 30 means in table number 3, 30 will become, yes, 3 10s are 30. As like that. Okay, 10 3s are 30. Okay, 10 3s are 30 and 3 10s are 30. As like that we do. So 3 and 10, see, 3 and 10 are a factor of 3 and 10 both are the factor of 30 because 3 10s are 30. Understood, my dear students? I hope you all are understood. So the cannot dancer in equal groups of 4 circle as a cannot divide a 30 without a remember. Okay, here but here don't forget to put the answer. How many groups? There will be a 10. 10 plus 10 20, 20 plus 10 30. 10 plus 10 plus 10, it's made 30. And how many circles it's made? 3 circles. Understood? So now further, they cannot dance in equal groups of 4. How can we share? How can we make a 4 circle? It's not a possible without a reminders. Okay, but we have to some dancer put into inside. Okay, out of the circle. It's difficult. So that's why here we are not making a 4 groups without reminder. Okay, so will be a left out. Okay, will be left out. If they dancer in a 5 circle, means a 5 circle, how many circles? 5 circles. There will be a dash dancer in each group. So let's check, my dear students, how can is this possible? Okay, how many dancers are there, my dear students? 30 dancers are there. We share equally in a 5 groups. Okay, we are share equally in 5 groups. So 30 divided by 5. 5 is what? A circle. 5 circle, and 30 is the strength of dancers. 30 divided by 5. 5. Okay, so in table number 5, 30 will become years, but where 5 6 are 30, 5 6 are 30, or 6 5 are 30. Both side will be VRC. Okay, 6 5 or 5 6 are 30, as like we see, my dear student. Understood? So here each group has a 6 dancer. 6 5 are 30. Okay, so if they are dancer in 5 circles, there will be a 6 dancer in each group. How many dancers? See here, 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 dancer in each group. So 1 group, 2 3 4 and 5. Okay, there are 5 groups made. How many groups are made? There are 5 groups made. Understood, my dear students? Again I repeat of the 4th point. They cannot dance in equal group of the 4. Okay, they cannot dance in a equal group of the 4 circles, as the 4 cannot divide a 30 without a remember. Again repeat, they cannot dance in equal groups of 4. Okay, they do a dance in group 1, group 2, group 3 and group 5, but not a equal group, cannot a equal group of 4 circle, as a 4 cannot divide a 30. Okay, in table number 4, 30 will become, dear students, speak the table number 4. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20. Okay, 4 6 are 24, 4 7s are 28, 4 8s are 32. It's close to 32. 4 8s are 32. So 32 is close to 30. It means in table number 4, 30 will not come. So that's why we cannot divide into a 4 group, equal a 4 group without a remainder. So there will be a left out some dancer. Okay, if we make a 5 circle, it's possible. Understood, my dear students? Now we move on further. A number of group, division, number of people in group. How can we make and how can we decide, my dear students? As like that we are decide of the dancer of this table. Dancer of this example of dancer we are write as like that table. Okay, they can also dance in a 6 circles with 5 people. So dear students, see, they can also dance in a 6 circle with 5 people. They can also dance in a 6 circles with 5 people in each group of the 10. Means a circle within each group and so on. Okay, dear students. So what to do here? Here first of all we make the first row. Okay, here first of all we make the first row. So students, we make the first column, number of the group, then the second column we make the division, and the third column is as like that, a number of the people in group. So how many groups we are made there? 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6, and division as like 30 divided by 1. Yes, we make the one group. Okay, then 30 divided by 2, 30 divided by 3, 30 divided by 4, 30 divided by 5 and 30 divided by 6. And number of people in group means 31s are 30, 32s are 15, means 2 30s are 15 as like that, and 33s are 3 10s are 3 10s are 30 as like that, and 3 in table number 4 30 will not come. So not possible without a remainder. Okay, remainder. So that's why we are not making a group 4. It is possible to a further group, means a group 5. So 5 6 are 30, 6 5 are 30. Okay, stop. 6 is already a factor. What? 6 is already a factor. See here a 6. 5 6 or 6 5 is already is our factor. So my dear students, the factor of 30 are 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15 and 30. See here that all digit. See the factor of 30. 30 is already is itself a factor. 2 means here 2. 3 means in table number 3 it will be 30 will become in 3 tens, means those numbers are coming in that number, means a factors numbers in table. So that's why we are write that a factor numbers. Okay, the factors of 30 is a 1, means itself. Okay, 1 30 is a 30. We are to checking that number, means 30 will come in that all tables. Understood? 30 will come in all the tables, dear students. So 31s are 30, 32s are 2, 33s are 35s are 5 6 means 5 6 are 30 or 6 5 are 30. So 5 and 6 both factor will become, and 6 4 is not possible without remainder. Okay, dear students. And 10, yes 10, but where 3 tens are or 10 threes are. Okay, and 15 twos are, 15 twos are or 3 15s are. Okay, and then after 30 itself a factors. So the dancer can make these many groups and arrange themselves in equal groups. Understood, my dear students? I hope you all are understood. So now a further example of factors. Here one example of factor. Okay, find the factor of 24 using a division. What, my dear students? Find the factors of 24 using a division. Got my point, my dear students? So let's check. Since 5 multiply by 5 multiply by 5, so what to do that time? 5 5s are 25. So 25 is bigger 24. 25 obviously. So see, my dear students, 5 5s are 25. 5 5s are 25. 24 is less than to a 25. Try with a divisor up to a 4 only. Okay, 4 only. So here a 24 factor and we are finding here, my dear students. Okay, so let's check. So dear students, 24 divided by 1. So in table number 1 means we multiply with 24. So 24 ones are, so dear students, 24 divided by 1 means 24 ones are 24. 1 multiply 24, 1 24s are 24. Okay, then after 24 divided by 2 means in table number 2 24 will become, yes, 2 12s are 24. Otherwise we check opposite side. 12 ones are 12 and 12 twos are 24. So see, answer is 12. Then after in table number 3, okay, 24 divided by 3. 24 divided by 3. See, 24 divided by 3. So in table number 3, 24 will become, my dear students. Yes, obviously in table number 3, 24 will come. But where? 3 8s are 24. Where my dear students come at 24? 3 8s are 24. Then after we check 4. In table number 4, 24 will become. So let's check. 4 4s are 16. 4 5s are 20. And 4 6 are 24. So yes, it's come. Okay. Then after in table number 5, 24 will become. No, in table number 5, 24 will not come. Speak the table number 5, my dear students. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, and 5 5s are 25. So where we are stop? 24, 25. See here. Try to divisor up to a 4 only. Understood? Up to a 4 only. Here we are not do without remainder. So here we stop. A factor of 24. So 1 here we said 24 ones are 24, 2. Okay, 12 twos are 24, 12 twos are 24, 3 8s are 24, 4 6s are 24, 6 4s are 24, 8 3s are 24, and 12 2s are 24, 24 ones are 24. So 24 itself a one factor. So as like that we do, my dear students. Understood? So now we move on the further example. I hope you all are understood, my dear students, that this example. Okay, now some other example. Okay, so let's check here the one. Okay, now second question, new question will come, my dear students. New question will come. So dear students, some other example of the factor and new topic, I think. Okay, some other example of how can we find the factor and how can we check its number. This number is a factor of that number. So let's check. Okay, let's we check and let's we understand, my dear students. Okay, so now here we check. Okay, so example number 1 is a 3 a factor of 54. So how can we check? How can we check? So we check as like that, or do the division and then we give a answer. Okay, my dear students, we check and then after we give an answer. Means a 3 is a factor of 54. Understood? Means okay. So after complete this division, I am telling you one short trick. Okay, dear students. So let's check here. So now 54 is what? Our divided. 3 is what? Division. So in table number 3, 54 will come or not, my dear students? In short, we are checking X like that. Table number 3, 54 will come or not. Understood? So let's check here. So in table number 3, 54. So we have take the one digit. 3 ones are 3. 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. See, 3 ones are 3. So here 5. So 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. 5 minus 3, how many, my dear students? 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. Then after we bring in down the 4, we bring down a 4. Understood? We bring down a 4. So it's made 5 minus 3, 2. Bring down a 4 is made a 24. In table number 3, 24 will become, my dear students, yes, 24 will come. So 3 8s are 24. So 24 minus 24 is equal to 0. What, my dear students? 24 minus 24 is equal to 0. So 30 is the factor of 54. Since it's divide a 54 without a remainder. Okay, yes, it's the 3 is the factor of 54 since it divides a 50 without a remainder. Understood, my dear students? Now check the second example. Is the 7 is the factors of 81. So let's check. 7 in table number 7, 8 will become no. So we take the less than to 8. 7 ones are 7. 8 minus 1 is equal to 8 minus 7 is equal to 1. Okay, then after we bring down a 1 digit. 7 ones are 7. Okay, so 11 minus 7, so how many? 4. So 7 is not the factor of 81. Okay, 7. Why? Here we have some reminders. That's why it is not a factor of 81. Okay, 7 is not a factor of the 81. It cannot divide 81 exactly. Here we are divide the 41. Okay, our remainder is 0, but here is not possible. Okay, so 7 is not a factor of 81 as they cannot divide the 81 exactly, dear students. Understood? So then after, now we move on the further. Example number 3. Example number 3. Find the factors of 23. Find the factors of 23. Okay, so 23 factors. There are no other number which divide a 23 exactly. You decide. Okay, 23 will come in any table 1 to 20 or up to 21 means table number 23. Okay, only we are multiply with 1 itself. Okay, so 1 and 23 are only the factor of 23. 23 ones are 23. In any other tables, a 23 will not come. That's why only 23 and 1, as like that. 123 is a 123 is a 23, or 23 ones are 23. As like that we do, my dear students. So 1 and 23 are only the factors of 23. Okay, every number other than 1 has at least 2 factors. 1 is itself and 1. Okay, that is a 1 and the number itself. What I am telling you, there is a notes. See here, every number other than a 1 has at least 2 factors. How many factors, my dear students? At least a minimum, less than at least a 2 factors. Which 2 factors? That is a 1. Any number multiply with 1, so answer is itself, means number itself. So that is a condition, it's that here. Okay, that is a 1 and a number itself. Understood, my dear students? Okay, I hope you all are understood. Now we move on the question number 1. So let's check here the question number 1. But we are starting the exercise number 1. Sorry, not a question number 1. Exercise number 5A, question number 1. 3. Sorry, question number 3. Question number 1 and 2 we are not performing. Okay, exercise number 5A, question number 3, question number 1 and 2. Listen carefully, we are not performing. Directly we move on the question number 3. Question number 3 is what, my dear students? Use the multiplication to find the factor. Use the multiplication to find the factor. So now let's check. Chapter number 5, factor, exercise number 5A. Directly we move on to question number 3. Use the multiplication to find the factors of different. Okay, only we have checked the question, that number means 20 and 55 will come in that number, means that tables. Okay, so let's check here, my dear students. Okay, 20. So 20 ones are 20. Okay, in table number 1, 20 will come. Yes, 20 ones are 20, 120s are 20. So 1 and 20 we both mention. Okay, then after 20, so in table number means a 10. 10, 4, 5. 5 2s are 10. Okay, 5 2s are 10, as like that. Okay, 5 4s are 20. See, 5 4s are 20. So 5 4s are 20. So 4 and 5 both are a factor. 5 4s are 20 and 4 5s are 20, as like that. Okay, 2 10s are 20. See, 2 20s are 20 and 10 2s are 20. So 2 and 10 both are a factor of 20. Understood, my dear students? We are do as like that. B, question number B, 55. So 155 5 means 55. 1s are 55. Okay, 5. Okay, and then after 11 5s are 55. So 11 and 5 both are the factor of 55, and that number means 55 itself a factor. Understood, my dear students? Okay, now a question number C, 12. Question number C was a 12. 12 means 12 ones are 12. Okay, then after 2 6 are 2 and 6 a factor. Okay, 2 and 6 both factor. 2 6 are 12. So 2 and 6 both are the factors of 12. 4 3s are 12 and 3 4s are 12. Okay, 6 2s are 12, as like that. Understood, my dear students? Okay, I hope you all are understood. Then after the 40, 41s are 40. 7 2s are 14, 2 7s are 14, and 40 itself a factor. 48. So 48 ones are 48. 6 8s are 48, 8 6s are 48. Okay. Then after 2 4 6 8, that both mention, that both time is coming. Then after 12, okay, 16 24 and 48. Understood, my dear students? Then after F G H and I, 6 F What is the question number F16? 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. So 1 16 ones are 16, 8 2s are 16, 4 8s are 16, 4 4s are 16. Okay, 8 2s are 16 and 6 it's a factor itself. 42. 1 2 3 6 7 40 21 and 42. Understood? Then after the H means a 24. 1 2 3 4 5 6 8 12 and 24. And I 34, 1 and 37. See, one in table number 37 only that factors will come. Okay, 37 ones are 37. Understood, my dear students? I hope you all are understood. So now as further question number 4 and question number 5 let's check in the second session. Understood? Okay, thank you so much, my dear students. Thank you, dear students.